Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to go from looking like who shot you to wondering who got you. Yep, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve this summer radiant flawless skin. So if you are interested, stick around and watch this video. So the first thing I like to do is get my hair out of my way, okay? I don't like hair in my way when I'm doing my makeup because then it gets all messy. I'm going to be using my Skindinavia primer setting spray. This is my form of primer. And then I'm going to be going in and I'm going to be doing my brows with Benefit Cosmetics brush and my Maybelline Eyeliner in brown. If y'all are interested in a full detailed 2019 eyebrow tutorial, like this video. Next, I'm going to be concealing my brows using the Born This Way concealer. Guys, I'm going to be listing all of these products down below, so don't even worry about it, okay? I got y'all. I'm going to be listing all of it down below. So I like to go in and, go in once I do my brows and clean up my brow area with some concealer. And then I use this e.l.f. Hydrating foundation stick. I love this foundation stick, y'all. It's about $6, but it's worth it. And I'm using this brush that I got on eBay like a really long time ago. It's kind of like a small foundation brush. You can actually just type that in Google and put in eBay and it should come up. So once I've finished blending in my foundation, I'm going to be using that same Born This Way concealer. And I'm going to be putting that all over my T-zone areas. I'm actually using a little bit on a large space, so it looks like a lot. Then I'm going to be going in with my LA Pro Conceal in Chestnut, and the concealer in Chestnut, and I'm going to be lightly contouring, naturally contouring my cheekbones and all of the areas that I normally go ahead and contour: my nose, my forehead, my cheekbones, and all that. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna be blending out that concealer, as you guys can see, and make sure your beauty blender is damp and not wet, and it's not dry, and make sure it's clean. That's important too. Clean beauty blenders 2019. Okay, I'm gonna be adding a little bit more concealer in my inner tear or inner corners because it wasn't as gradient as I wanted it to be, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm just gonna be going in with my Airspun powder, and this one is in the shade Naturally Neutral. I do normally use translucent powder, but I don't have any more, so I gotta use this one, you know what I'm saying? I gotta work with what I have. And then I'm using this brush. I think this is a Real Techniques highlighting brush. I love this brush. It's like the perfect size for this. And it's a fluffy brush as well. You can get this at Ulta, guys. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you're packing the powder lightly on your face. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Skin Finish in Dark Deepest, and I'm using a very light fluffy brush to kind of swirl that around my face, if you will. Okay, and I'm just gonna be lightly sweeping away all of the excess powder that I had on my face from the Airspun powder. Once I'm done, I normally go in with a smaller brush and I nose contour or nose bronze, you know what I'm saying? It all depends. It all depends on what you call it, but I call it nose bronze, whatever, And then I'm just gonna be going in with some mascara, okay? I like to use this NYX pencil in brown to line my lips. It's so natural. I know I'm kind of going back and forth for my eyes and my lips, but I'm going back in with that skin finish under my lower lash line, and then I'm going in with a brown liner to line my lower lash line. Next, I'm using the She Bronzer blush, and I'm just applying all of those 4 colors on my cheekbones, on my cheeks, and just trying to give me some color. And next, I'm going in with this MAC Prime and Prep and Prime spray in the rose water, the rose water one, yeah. And now I'm just wiping my lips off. You know, I'm going with my Fenty Beauty, my Fenty Beauty Glow. Dang, I can't remember the name, but y'all know what this is. Like, y'all know what this is. It's like a moisturizing glow lotion type deal. Like, it's just popping. You see that? Like, and then I'm just gonna be using my beauty blender or whatever, and I'm just gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna be putting that on my cheekbones or whatever, and then, you know, going with some brow gel. Can y'all guess what song this is that I was singing? And some gloss balm, of course. You gotta have the gloss balm. You gotta have the Fenty gloss balm.
We make love. It makes me feel so nice.
Okay, so now I'm going in with the Fenty highlighting duo. And I think I'm using Mean Money right now. And I'm just kind of like going over that illuminator. And now just putting on some extra touches, some mascara on my lower lash line. And this is pretty much it for this look, guys. This was a pretty simple makeup look. You guys could wear this for the summertime. It's the perfect amount of makeup and coverage. Keeps your skin looking radiant throughout the day. And you just be looking popping, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love this makeup look. This is like my go-to look when I'm not trying to do too much, but I'm trying to look like I cost too much. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's all. Yeah. So subscribe down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and share with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye, guys.